those of you who have been watching this channel for a minute would know that I've been trying to drift my open diff Falcon with some mixed results.
Oh, nice.
Although my more recent attempts were not too bad, I decided it was time to do like any good tradesman and blame my tools. An open diff, no good for drifting. It was time for an LSD. I bought myself a nice M86 Harrop True Track and I got a turbo rear cradle. I then had that LSD center put in my turbo diff, and with the help of my friend Jared, who owns 2JZ36, we took that whole turbo rear cradle and put it in the car. Now, armed with a turbo rear end that was LSD, it's time to go back to skid control.
You should maintain your vehicle, Josh.
Oh no.
And maintain vehicle control. Everyone's looking at you, Josh.
Oh no, everyone's looking. Everyone's looking in a spectator sport.
This time I was using a different technique as well. See, previously with the open diff, I had been using a lot of weight transfer to be able to control the car while going around these corners, essentially approaching at a higher speed and then aggressively whipping the car to the side, and the momentum would help carry me through the corner. And while all that's fine and it works, I found that I had been doing something wrong. You see, because I'm NA and also automatic, I can't just clutch kick to break traction. So what I had been doing was aggressively stomping the brakes right before getting on the throttle around the corner in order to lift the rear of the car up and help the car break traction more easily. Turns out you're not supposed to do that. Turns out that slamming on the brake beforehand causes all sorts of control issues, and that was part of the reason that I found myself spinning all over the place a lot. Brake traction with the throttle, and especially now that I have the LSD, I can use the throttle to feather my way through the corner and
never mind, it's not going to take all that long. I was fully expecting to have to deal with, like, you know, the wide wheelbase and the fucking bad turn circle and all that shit. Did not fucking spin that wheel fast enough. Josh, don't slide that corner. My car doesn't go onto the dry every time on that corner.
So does having the LSD actually make drifting in my Falcon better? Yes, obviously. The open end is a nightmare. It is no fun compared to the LSD. It's amazing being able to properly control the vehicle around a corner by using the throttle. It's great. Anyone who says you can drift with an open diff are either lying or they're stupid. Get yourself an LSD, kids. It is amazing. Night and day difference. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, do the thing, hit the button, share on all of the TikTok and stuff like that, and I will see you guys in the next